Hey everybody, on this video I'm going to show you how to reset the oil service light on a 2025 Volkswagen Jetta S and SE. It's going to be with this base instrument cluster. If you have the other instrument cluster with the things on the sides, the SEL, I have a different video for that. It's a little bit different. But anyways, after the oil change, you're going to go ahead and turn the vehicle on. And then from this screen here, let's zoom out real quick. You're just going to go down to the down button there, and then you'll go to this distance and time. Then you'll hit over. All right, on this section right here, basically, you're going to hit or hold over for roughly about 5 to 10 seconds. Release it, and that'll bring up your service menu. Then you can scroll down, reset the oil change. Okay. Let's give it a minute, and then reset the inspection. Okay. And that's it. I want to thank you for watching this video today. I hope you found this video helpful.